नमस्कार मित्रांनो, सचिन मुरार एज्युकेशन या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. मित्रांनो, आज दिनांक 12 जानेवारी 2024ला सकाळ वृत्तपत्रात शिक्षक भरती संदर्भात जाहिरात आली आहे. जाहिरात सविस्तर पाहूया. श्री भैरवनाथ शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल्स, न्यू इंग्लिश स्कूल लांडेवाडी, ॲफिलिएटेड टू CBSE, A/P लांडेवाडी, तालुका आंबेगाव, डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुणे, पिन 410503, फोन नंबर 02-133-235105, सेकंड नंबर 7378591100, थर्ड नंबर 7558751515. We are one of the topmost reputed institutions in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district, having 26 years legacy of imparting high class quality education with modern infrastructure inspired by the vision of former MP Honorable Shri Shivajirao Adhalrao Patil. We are hiring. Name of post: 1. Pre-primary teacher. Subjects not given. Qualification: graduate with ECCED / pre-primary teachers training course. Name of post: second, PRT primary teacher. Subjects: English, EVS, Maths. Qualification: graduate with B.Ed. Name of post: 3, TGT / PGT. Subjects: English, Social Science, Science, Maths, Hindi, Marathi. Qualification: graduate / postgraduate with B.Ed. Name of post: 4, counselor. Subjects not given. Qualification: MA Psychology. Name of post: 5, physical education teacher. Subjects: physical education. Qualification: graduate with BP.Ed. Conditions given. Condition number 1, candidates must have fluency in English. Second condition, candidates with experience of teaching CBSE curriculum will be preferred. Applications along with CV are invited from eligible candidates for the above mentioned post to reach within 15 days from the date of publication of the advertisement at the email ID principalnes111@gmail.com. Website www.shribhairavnatheducation.com. श्री शिवाजीराव आढळराव पाटील, चेअरमॅन. धन्यवाद.